Hi, welcome back students. In today's lesson, we move into exercise 2.4, an important topic that strengthens your understanding of functions and graphs. I'll guide you step by step with simple explanations and examples so you can master this concept easily. Let's begin the learning. First question, example 1. Write the linear function. So you should know linear function means linear equation. Keep in your mind, linear function means what? Linear equation. What's a linear equation? Y equals mx plus b. This is the linear equation. Clear all of you? Right. For which f of 1 is equal to 3 and f of 4 is equal to 4. What is given? F of 1 is equal to 3, f of 4 is equal to 0. In the school, do you remember? We write y is equal to f of x. Remember all of you? Y is equal to f of x. The same thing you are going to write here. What is your y? 3. What is your x? 1. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. What is your y here? It is 0. And what is your x here? X is equal to 4. So what is your point? 1, 3. And what is your point here? It is 4, 0. Right? Yes. Now 2 points are given. You are going to find the equation of the line. Linear equation you are going to find. When 2 points are given, what is the formula to find the equation of the line? Y minus y1, okay, equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 times x minus x1. Clear everybody? Right. So this is your point x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Right. Y minus y1 is what? 3. y2 minus y1, 0 minus 3 divided by x2 minus x1, 4 minus 1 times x minus x1 is 1. So y minus 3 equals 0 minus 3 is minus 3, 4 minus 1 is 3 times x minus 1. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. You are getting minus 1. So y minus 3 equals minus 1 times x minus 1. So y minus 3 equals minus 1 times x is minus x. Minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. So this is equal to what? Y equals minus 3 goes that side. Minus x plus 1 plus 3. So this is equal to what? Y equals minus x plus 4. This is the linear equation. Clear all of you? Right? Again I'm telling 2 points are given. So when 2 points are given, you have to think about this formula which you studied in the exercise 2.1. Remember, if you did not watch this video, go to video 2.1, Math 001 2.1. Watch this video and come back to this one, right? Let's go to the next question. Write the linear function. Yes, linear function means what? Linear equation. What is linear equation? Y equals mx plus b, right? Listen all of you, here also we got y equals what? Mx plus b. Clear? Right. So we are going to do the next question. For which f of 1 is equal to 4 and f of 0 is equal to 6. And also one more question is there. Sketch the graph of the function. So what is given? F of 1 is equal to 4 and f of 0 is equal to 6. In the school, you studied what? Y equals f of x. In the school, you studied what? Y equals f of x, right? Yes. What is your x now? X equals 1. What is your y now? Y equals 4. What is your x here? X equals 0. What is your y here? It is equal to 6. So, what is the point? 1, 4. And what is the point here? 0, 6. Now we have 2 points. Whenever you have 2 points, what is the equation of the line? The equation of the line is given by the formula y minus y1 equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 times x minus x1. Clear everybody? So this is the formula you have to memorize. And this formula is what? Exercise 2.1. If you did not study this formula, Go back and study this one. Exercise 2.1. Right. Now this is your x1, y1. And this is your x2, y2. Right. Y minus y1. So y minus, what is your y1? Which is 4 equals y2 minus y1. Which is what? 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 divided by x2 minus x1. What is x2? 0 minus 1. So this is 0 minus 1. X minus x1. What is your x1? 1. Now we need to simplify this. Y minus 4 equals 6 minus 4 is what? 2 by divided by minus 1. X minus 1. So y minus 4 equals 2 divided by minus 1 is what? Minus 2 times x minus 1. So y minus 4 equals minus 2 multiplied by this is what? Minus 2x. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 is what? Plus 2. So y equals negative 2x plus 2. This minus 4 go that side is what? Plus 4. So therefore this is equal to y equals minus 2x plus 6. This is the equation. Clear? So this is the first part of your question, which is A. Now we are going for the B question. What is your B question? The B question is sketch. Sketch is so easy when 2 points are given. This is your x-axis. Sorry. This is your x-axis and this is your, this is your y-axis and this is your x-axis. Right. So what are the points given? 1, 4 and 0, 6. Right. So let me write 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 1 only, 0 only. And this is 0. Right. And 4 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. 1, 4. So this is 1. Right. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your 4. Right. And 0, 6. This is 0 and this is 6. So this is your straight line. So this is the sketch. Clear all of you? So easy exercise. Please practice very well. Right. Next question. A mechanic's pay is Saudi Riyal 14 per hour for regular time and time and a half for overtime. The weekly wage function is W of H. Just concentrate on this function. W of H. Okay. So concentrate on this function W of H. What is given? W of H is given. So W of H is equal to flower bracket or curly braces 14H 0 less than or equal to H less than or equal to 40. Sorry, there is no less than or equal. And 21 H minus 40 plus 560. H more than 40. Right. H is the number of hours, something like X. Keep in your mind. H is the number, something like you have to keep like X. And they are asking what? So many questions. They are asking W of 30, they are asking. And they are asking W of 40, they are asking. Then they are asking what? W of 45, they are asking. Right? And they are asking W of what? 50, they are asking. Right? These are all the numbers like X, but it is here, it is H. Now we need to do one small thing. Here it is what? 0 less than H less than or equal to 40. It means what? Starts from 1, 2, 3. It goes up to what? 40. Now here H is more than 40. It means what? 41, 42 and so on up to what? Infinity. Right? Yes. Now W of 30. Where is 30? 30 is here. Right? So what is your function here? Which is 14H. Next is W of 40. Where is 40? 40 is here. So what is your function? 14H. And look here the next one. 45 and 50. Where is 45? It is here. Where is 50? It is here. So this function you have to take it. 21H minus 40 plus 560. 21H minus 40 plus 560. 21H minus 40 plus 560. Okay, right. So now we are going to put the values. So H is equal to what? 30. So 14 times 30. So 14 times 3 is what? 4 3s are 12, 1 3s are 4, which is equal to 420. Next for H we are going to put 40. So 14 times 40, 4 is 560. Okay. Next, we are going to put 45. You can put directly in the calculator. 21, 45 minus 40 plus 560. 1 minute, let me do it. So 45 minus 40 is 5. So 21 multiplied by 5 plus 560, which is equal to 665. This is equal to 665. Okay. And here it is 21, 50 minus 40 plus 560. You are going to put h is equal to what? 50. So this equals, I'll put in the calculator, 50 minus 40 is 10. 10 multiplied by 20 is 210 plus 560, which is equal to 770. Right? Yes. So easy exercise. It's only 3 questions you are going to study. Clear all of you? How many questions you are going to study? Only 3 questions you are going to study. So the first 2 questions you are going to find what? Equation of a straight line. And the third question is what? You are going to put the values in the function. So this finishes what? Exercise 2.4 finished. Clear all of you? Right. Great work. You have completed Math 001 2.4. It means what? You have studied, right? I hope. So if this lesson really helped you, make sure to like the video and share it with your classmates, right? Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next exercise, right? Until then, it's bye from Zahir. Once again, East or West, Dr. Zahir Math channel is the best. Bye-bye.